So just a quick review, we're roughing in an AV project. Audiovisual, we do a lot more than just fiber and Cat 6. We're running speaker wire to support sound sources from the microphones. We're gonna put in volume controls here, that's just roughed in. We have these beautiful JBL speakers sporadically through the room. We're gonna add 2 more up to here, but we're just roughing in things. Beautiful thing about this is there's 3 meeting rooms. So this one is the largest one, and then you have 2 in the rear. So instead of getting a couple different sources, I'll show you our solution. And again, we're using the JBLs. Try to be quick, under 2 minutes. So we have the AV rack back here in the control room. We have more JBLs to deploy. We have a beautiful solution. We have a massive amp, and the Atlas splits up different zones. So we'll have microphones. We have meeting 1, 2, 3, you get the point. Now, not only the software, you can adjust the sources, but you don't want to walk all the way back here. So what we have is the controllers. So we'll run a Cat 6 network directly to the controller. This will adjust your source and also the volume. This is really cool. In a 1 gang box, we're also gonna have the Bluetooth. So again, the value of a powerful amp, how to split out different zones so you don't have to have multiple ones of these, and then just different audio sources. So we're still roughing in. Give us a call, 877-832-1206. Ask for Paul.